Hello, let's get into this peel. So I'm going to be using the Clarity Peel Concentrate from Rejuva Skincare. This is my go-to for everything skincare. I talk about them a lot. So this peel contains a combination of ingredients that are great for skin. So I usually use this when I am dealing with dark spots, hyperpigmentation. So if you're looking for an at-home peel to use, this is something that you can use. So quickly, this contains a broad range of ingredients. I'm going to leave them up on the screen so you can read them up. But this contains mandelic acid, alpha-arbutin, and some very good ingredients that will help to alleviate hyperpigmentation, dark spots, just generally helping you to treat hyperpigmentation. So let's get into this peel. So I use this peel 3 times in a year, every 4 months. So after dealing with my acne and getting rid of my acne, the next step is to get rid of hyperpigmentation, and this is a great skincare that you can use to deal with hyperpigmentation. So first things you want to do is to wet your skin, or if you just wash your face is still damp, you can go ahead to do this. I'm just going to wet my face a bit. Please note that this is something that you use after you've been able to control your acne. Okay, so it comes with some little spatulas, because if you use your fingers to do this, your fingers are also going to peel. So first things first, I go in with a light coat. I like to go in with 1 layer first. Do this all over my face. Now this peel can be done in multiple ways. Remember to do a patch test first on the neck to see how this is. Now of course, with every peel you're going to notice some tingling. I like to avoid my smile lines when I'm doing this, so I just go ahead to apply 1 layer first, and then I like to go over those problem areas at least 2 to 3 times. Now my skin has developed tolerance for this. If 1 coat is okay for you, please go ahead to do only 1 coat, but my skin has developed tolerance for this, so I'm able to do at least 2 coats on my skin, especially on those problem areas. Now after doing this, this is to be repeated 3 times in a row. So let's say, for example, I'm doing this on a Monday. I'm going to do it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I'm going to allow my skin to breathe. Now the next thing after applying is to use the soothing cream or Sika. There are so many brands that do this, but I use the one from Topic Cream. This is just to help to calm down your skin after using the peel to prevent any further reactions. Please make sure that when you're applying this, you make sure that it's spread evenly across your face, because if there's a build-up, it can cause a chemical burn. But this is definitely a safe at home peel to use with proper direction. And so I'm just applying the Sika to help to calm down my skin. I'm mostly going to my smile line areas, corner of my nose with this, because those areas are very sensitive and can easily get burnt. Okay, so the idea is to help to get rid of dead skin cells, reveal a clearer, healthier skin, and just make your skin texture overall smooth. The glow you get from this is amazing. Of course, there's definitely going to be a downtime while using this product, but the result you get from this is definitely worth the while. And also please note that you have to wash your face before using this product. Okay, make sure that you wash your face. You don't want to apply a peel on a dirty face. Okay, and like I said, make sure that you spread this all over your face, making sure that there's no build up, and definitely wait a couple of minutes, like 5 minutes, and apply your Sika. I definitely enjoy using this product. Okay, now this retails for 120,000 naira as at the time of making this video. It is pricey, but this is something that you can use for a year. I only use this like 3 times in a year, every 4 months, and voila, my skin is radiant, it's glowy already. And so I'm gonna wait for 3 days, and then at this point my skin is already peeling. Like, I look crazy, but the glow is definitely worth it. I couldn't wait to share this video with you guys. I will share the glow after I'm done with this cycle, but just look at that, my skin is already glowing and I'm peeling. Like, I'm peeling, but my skin is definitely glowing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.